Hey everyone, welcome back to Review Kitchens. Today, we're diving into the retro-style infrared heating air fryer toaster oven. This stylish green kitchen gadget promises to revolutionize your cooking with its 10-in-1 capabilities. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. First things first, this oven features cutting-edge infrared heating combined with true convection. What does that mean for you? Quick, even cooking with a deliciously crispy crust while keeping the interior of your food juicy and tender. Say goodbye to dried-out meals. To make it easier for you, I've left the link to this product in the description and comments at a promotional price, so to guarantee it, click and add this product to your Amazon cart. This isn't just an air fryer or a toaster oven, it's a 10-in-1 powerhouse. With preset functions like air fry, toast, bake, broil, roast, reheat, warm, slow cook, and dehydrate, you can whip up anything from crispy fries to a slow-cooked roast, all in one convenient appliance. Whether you're feeding the family or hosting a party, this oven's got you covered with a 30% to 60% larger capacity. Roast a 5 to 6 pounds chicken, toast 6 slices of bread, cook a large batch of French fries, or bake a 12-inch pizza, all at once. It's perfect for meal prepping or entertaining guests. Enjoy your favorite fried foods guilt-free with the air fry function, reducing fat by up to 75%. Thanks to the efficient infrared heating, you get perfectly crispy, golden results every time, offering a healthier alternative to traditional frying. With 1750W of power and 6 heating elements, this oven cooks 40% faster than traditional ovens. Its even heat distribution reduces preheating time by up to 30%. Plus, the user-friendly digital display and analog controls make cooking a breeze. This oven isn't just about functionality. It also brings a touch of retro charm to your kitchen with its stylish green finish. It includes a variety of accessories like an enamel baking tray, wire rack, air fryer basket, and crumb tray. The interior oven light and 3 rack positions make it easy to monitor your food as it cooks. Positive points: infrared heating for quick, even cooking. 10-in-1 versatility for endless cooking options. Large capacity perfect for families and gatherings. Healthier air frying with up to 75% less fat. Fast cooking with 1750W of power and 6 heating elements. Stylish retro design with practical accessories. Negative points: the exterior and control panel can get hot during use. Larger size might be a tight fit for smaller kitchens. So, should you add the retro-style infrared heating air fryer toaster oven to your kitchen? Absolutely. It's a versatile, efficient, and stylish addition that makes cooking easier and healthier. Just be mindful of the hot surfaces and ensure proper ventilation. That's it for today's review. Thanks for tuning in to Review Kitchens. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more detailed and honest kitchen gadget reviews. See you next time.